come?
I don't know. Where are you sitting?
I'm sitting up.
Okay.
I'm a little robot.
You're a little robot.
Yes.
Okay. Is that robot dance? What robot is doing?
I got you.
You got me. What is your name?
My name is Mahiu.
And what is your daddy's name?
Daddy's name is me. Mommy's name is Mummy.
Nah. Tell me. What's daddy's name?
Daddy's name is Mommy's name. Mommy's name is Mihu.
Mehul.
Wow.
And
Oh no.
What you have seen?
Oh no. I'm saying oh no.
You are saying oh no. लेकिन क्या दिखा? क्या दिखा?
Oh no.
क्या दिखा लेकिन? Where are you going?
What?
Where are you going?
I'm running.
Yeah.
Oh, you what?
You are walking or you are running?
I'm running. Oh, you what?
Are you running?
Oh, you what?
Okay.
I'm running. Oh, you what?
You are running all around.
Yes, I will. Now I'm walking.
Now you are walking. You are tired now. Where are you going now? You are coming from this side. Ah. Ooh. Uh-oh. Where are you going?
I want to come from this side.
Okay.
I cannot open it.
Push it. Push. You have to push it. Not pull. Push. Now come.
I want to go with it.
Okay. Push it. Yay. While you are doing that, you should not slide. You should fall down. Shall I close it? Now what you are doing? You are sitting again.
Yes.
Why?
Daddy?
Beta.
Daddy.
Beta.
Am I like a baby robot?
You're like a baby robot. You like robot? Do you like robot?
Yes, I do.
Are you sitting in the table and chair?
I know what I'm doing.
You know what you are doing.
I sit down.
You sit down. Is that your table and chair?
Yes, is it?
It is. Be careful.
Daddy, can you sit there?
I cannot. It's for the baby. Oh, what are you doing?
I'm not falling down.
You're not falling down, but you should not sit down there, no? A window is not for the sitting down.
Oh, look, I got shoes.
You got a shoes. Which color is that?
Black and red.
Black and red. Okay.
Wow!
Wow. And
So many trees.
so many trees. Yes.
I cannot close the window.
You cannot close the window. No, that's it. You cannot close it.
We have to close the car window.
Yeah. Do you want curtain in your house?
Yes.
Shall we buy some curtain, kya, for your house?
Yes.
But then it will be very dark inside. Are you going to sleep in your house?
Yes, I will.
Shall we buy the mattress as well?
Yes.
Yeah? Then you will sleep alone? Will you sleep alone or with
I know
mom?
what I'm doing.
You know what you are doing. Okay.
I know what I'm doing, Daddy.
I don't know. You tell me what you are doing.
Yeah.
You know what you are doing?
Sorry, Daddy.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good night.